we are doing dog tricks.
Oh, okay.
So, did you know dogs can climb up a walkway?
I did not know this.
Well, first, let me just head up here because I'm like this. So, let me put it down. This.
Oh, that Pierre's toothbrush?
Now my dog has a heel. I'm pregnant.
Oh, what a big boy! Wow! Okay, come down. Woo! Yay, Pierre! Okay, now.
Now, just
Okay. Okay. Oh, he's crazy! Oh, he's crazy! Oh, he's a big boy! What's the next trick?
Let's game. I'm going to find a stick and just walk around and just give it to Pierre. And what's it?
Perfect. Nice. That's the perfect stick. Okay, tell him to come here. Do some. Let's see the rest of your tricks.
He loves these sticks.
Oh, Pierre, we got something for you. Where is he? Oh, here he comes. Okay, you sit and shake. Let's see that. Here, sit. Hey, shake. You shook her head. All right, let's see what you. Oh no, here we go. Okay, whoa. Oh, jump up. Jump up. Oh! All right, he's gonna jump to the hoop. Okay, come up here, get the chicken. A little bit. All right, here we go. Come through the hoop, get your chicken. I'm gonna squawk the chicken. Ready? Come on.
Thank you for watching Pierre's Dog Tricks. I will love watching this, and I like and subscribe and press the like. That's it.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Oh.